Peace be upon you guys. I'm M. Shafiq. Welcome to Basic to Advanced Language. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about a project which we already have done. So which is that our purpose of project is to convert mathematics into programming language. So like in programming language, how we can create logics of mathematics. So now, which is our topic? The topic is just like order and types of matrices. So in order and types of matrices, we are going to convert that into programming language. So now, first of all, we would like to talk about like mathematics. So in mathematics, what are the order and the types of matrices? And then we should move to the programming language. In programming language, how do we can use order and also types of matrices. So this is just like intro, and then we should move to screen, and then I would like to tell you overall about it.